June 3rd, 2026, a new political chapter began in Karnataka as DK Shivakumar assumed office as the Chief Minister of the state. Alongside him, G. Parameshwara was appointed as Deputy Chief Minister. Following the formation of the government, the Congress leadership announced a new Council of Ministers comprising senior leaders, experienced administrators, and influential regional figures from across Karnataka. The cabinet reflects a mix of political legacy, caste representation, regional balance, and administrative experience. K.H. Muniyappa, 78 years old, a prominent Madiga, belongs to scheduled caste, has been appointed to the cabinet. Muniyappa represented Kolar for 7 consecutive terms between 1991 to 2019. After his electoral defeat in the year 2019, he contested from Devanhalli. He previously served as the Food and Civil Supplies Minister in the Siddaramaiah government and was also a Union Minister in the Manmohan Singh-led government between 2004 to 2014, handling portfolios such as railways, road transport, and MSME. He is known for his advocacy of internal reservation for scheduled castes. KJ George, 76 years old, is one of the Congress' most senior leaders and brings over 5 decades of political experience. He entered politics through the Youth Congress in the year 1968 and rose through the ranks to become a 6th-time MLA from Bengaluru constituencies including Byrathi Nagar and Sarvagna Nagar. Originally from Kodagu, he is a prominent Christian leader. He has held several important portfolios including Bengaluru, development during the S. Bangarappa government in the year 1990s and later served as Home Minister in the year 2013, a tenure that drew controversy. In the previous Siddaramaiah government, he served as Energy Minister. M.B. Patil, 61 years old, a powerful Lingayat leader from North Karnataka, has been inducted into the cabinet. A 5-time MLA from Babaleshwar, he is known for his strong advocacy of irrigation and regional development, particularly the Upper Krishna project, which he aggressively pursued during his tenure as Irrigation Minister from 2013 to 2018. He has also been a key voice in discussions on Lingayat religious identity. Ramalinga Reddy, 72 years old, a senior KPCC leader, is among the most consistent electoral performers in Karnataka politics, having never lost an election since 1989. He has represented Jayanagar and later BTM layout, serving 8 consecutive terms as MLA. Over the years, he has handled major portfolios including home, transport, and Muzrai. Satish Jarkiholi, 64 years old, is a dominant political figure from Kittur, Karnataka and a strong Ahinda leader. Part of the influential Jarkiholi family in Belagavi, he entered public life through the cooperative banking sector in the year 1992 before rising to become a key cabinet minister. Known for his grassroots influence, he has also expressed aspirations of becoming a chief ministerial candidate for 2028. He represents the Yamakana Maradi ST constituencies and belongs to the Nayaka Valmiki community. Krishna Byre Gowda, 53 years old, son of former Minister C. Byre Gowda, is a technocrat politician who has represented Bait Narayanapura since 2008. He briefly entered politics in the year 2003 through a bypoll in Vemagal following his father's death. He later shifted focus to Bengaluru's urban development. As Revenue Minister, he played a key role in digitizing land records and earlier initiated millet promotion during his tenure as Agriculture Minister in the year 2013. Priyank Kharge, 47 years old, son of AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, has established his own political identity beyond his family legacy. A 3-time MLA from Chittapur, he is known for his strong stance against the RSS BJP ideology and his focus on technology, startups and rural development. He previously served as the youngest minister in Karnataka at the age of 38 in the year 2016. UT Khader, 56 years old, a five-time MLA from Ulal, is one of the Congress most prominent leaders from coastal Karnataka and a key Muslim leader in the state. A trained lawyer, he is known for his grassroots connect and cross-community appeal. In the year 2023, he made history by becoming the first Muslim Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. He has previously served as Health Minister and handled portfolios including food and civil supplies and consumer affairs. Eshwar Khandre, 64 years old, a six-time MLA from Bhalki, is a senior Lingayat leader and one of the key organizational figures in the Congress party, son of veteran leader Bhimanna Khandre. He has built a strong political base in the Kalyana Karnataka region. He has been instrumental in strengthening Congress support among Lingayat voters and has served as working president of the KPCC. Yathindra Siddaramaiah, 45 years old, a medical professional turned politician and son of former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, entered electoral politics in the year 2018 by winning the Varuna constituency. He served as MLA until 2023 before being nominated to the Legislative Council, known for his low-profile working style and close engagement with party workers. He is seen as a rising leader within the Ahinda political framework. Byrathi Suresh, 53 years old, a close confidant of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, began his political career as an MLC in the year 2012 and later won the Hebbal Assembly seat in the year 2018. Known for his influence in Bengaluru's eastern region, he has focused extensively on urban infrastructure and planning. A businessman and agriculturist, he is among the wealthiest legislators in Karnataka with declared assets exceeding 648 crores rupees. His wife Byrathi Padmavati also briefly entered politics during the 2019 by-polls. Sharan Prakash Patil, 59 years old, a three-time MLA from Sedam, he is a qualified dermatologist and a senior Congress leader from the Kalyana Karnataka region. Coming from a freedom fighters family, he has played a key role in expanding medical education and healthcare infrastructure in the state. He is credited with establishing the Gulbarga Institute of Medical Sciences and promoting government medical colleges and rural healthcare systems. He belongs to the Lingayat community. This newly formed cabinet under Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar and Deputy Chief Minister G. Parameshwara brings together a blend of political experience, regional representation and administrative expertise, setting the foundation for the government's governance agenda in Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.